Welcome to our guide to the 5 best gas cooktops you can buy in 2023. Whether you're a professional chef or just starting out in the kitchen, we've got the perfect gas cooktop for your cooking needs. We've researched the latest products and narrowed it down to the best options to ensure you get the highest quality and best performance. With our top picks, you can be sure to get the perfect gas cooktop for your kitchen and cooking style. So let's get started. Number 5. Empava 24-inch. The Empava 24-inch gas cooktop is the perfect stovetop for those who love to cook. With a sleek black tempered glass design, Italy sabaf burners, and thermocouple protection, this cooktop is sure to make any kitchen stand out. The 2-year US-based manufacturer warranty doubles the usual industry warranty and provides peace of mind that your cooktop will last for years to come. The 4-roll class made in Italy sabaf burners offer the latest flame failure thermocouple protection, which ensures that your home and family are safe. This cooktop is great for any cook and is sure to be an impressive addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Deli-kit 30-inch. The Deli-kit 30-inch gas cooktop dual fuel sealed 5 burners is a great choice for anyone looking for a durable and efficient cooktop. This gas cooktop not only offers a 3-year guarantee, but also provides 5 versatile burners with burners ranging from 11,262 British thermal unit to 3,413 British thermal unit. The gas cooktop panel is made of corrosion-resistant brushed stainless steel and is easy to clean. The cast iron grades provide durability and lasting life, and the 110 volts AC pulse ignition system is sure to make your cooking experience easier. Plus, it comes with a free wok stand to meet all of your cooking needs. All in all, this is a great cooktop that is sure to please. Number 3. Trifecta 30-inch. The Trifecte 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 sabaf burners is a great choice for anyone looking for a stainless steel gas stove top. This gas hob comes with a timer to remind you when your cooking is done, as well as 2 fast 10,000 British thermal unit burners, 2 6,000 British thermal unit burners, and an auxiliary 3,500 British thermal unit burner. This gas cooktop also features a thermocouple protection safety device, heavy-duty cast iron grates, and durable zinc alloy knobs. It's easy to clean and UL certified for safety. All in all, this gas stove top is an excellent choice for any home kitchen. Number 2. VANSTON 30. The VANSTON 30 built-in gas cooktop is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful and efficient cooking device. This cooktop comes with 5 Italy sabaf sealed burners that are capable of producing a total of 41,800 British thermal units. The design of the cooktop is also very solid and thoughtful, with a heavy-duty flat cast iron cooking grates and 5 durable melt-proof bakelite knobs that can be used to control each of the 5 burners. Overall, the VANSTON 30 built-in gas cooktop is a great product that is sure to provide efficient and powerful cooking for years to come. Number 1. Impava 30. The Impava 30 gas stove cooktop is an excellent choice for any kitchen. The product dimensions are great, and the LPG/NG convertible feature is a great addition. The 5-roll class made in Italy sabaf burner gas cooktops feature the latest flame failure thermocouples auto shut-off protection technology to keep your family safe. The sealed burners make for easy cleanup, and the stainless steel surface is stain and heat discoloration resistant. The knobs and heavy cast iron grates are durable and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. This cooktop is perfect for recreational vehicle, light cooking families, small kitchens, and outdoor use.